Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept in statistics, the coefficient of determination, more commonly known as R-squared. We will explore what it means to understand the proportion of variance explained by a model. So, what's the main question that R-squared helps us answer? Imagine we've built a statistical model. For instance, a model that tries to predict a student's final exam score based on the number of hours they studied. R-squared tells us how good that model is. Specifically, it quantifies how much of the difference in exam scores can be explained by the hours a student spent studying. Let's use a simple analogy. Say you own a pizza place. You've noticed a pattern. On days it rains, you seem to sell more pizzas. So you create a simple model to predict sales based on rainfall. However, you know that rain isn't the only thing that drives sales. Big sports games, holidays, or local festivals also play a part. R-squared is the tool that tells you exactly how much of your pizza sales can be explained by the rainfall and how much is caused by all those other factors. To understand R-squared, we first need to look at the data itself before we even create a model. Let's say we have our data on student exam scores. The scores are scattered. First, we calculate the average, or mean, score. The total variance is a measure of how spread out all the individual scores are from this average. It represents the total amount of variation we are trying to explain. Now we introduce our model. In statistics, this is often a linear regression line. This line is our best attempt at capturing the underlying relationship in the data. Think of it as our prediction tool. Based on our data, for any given number of hours a student studies, this line gives us their predicted exam score. Our model does a better job of predicting scores than just guessing the average for everyone. The difference between our model's prediction and the simple average is the explained variance. It's the improvement we get by using our model. This is the portion of the total variance that our model successfully accounts for. Of course, our model isn't perfect. The data points don't all fall exactly on our line. The distance from an actual data point to the model's prediction line is the unexplained variance. This is the error, or residual, that our model cannot predict. It's the variation caused by other factors we didn't include in our model, like how much sleep a student got or how good their teacher was. Now we can bring it all together. The R-squared value is calculated by dividing the explained variance by the total variance. In other words, it's the proportion of the total variation that is successfully explained by our model. Another way to calculate it is 1 minus the ratio of unexplained variance to total variance, which gives the exact same result. Let's make this concrete. If we calculate an R-squared value of 0.82, what does that mean? It means that 82% of the variation in our outcome variable, such as exam scores, can be explained by our input variable, like hours studied. The remaining 18% of the variation is due to other factors that our model doesn't account for. R-squared values always range from 0 to 1. An R-squared of 0 means your model explains none of the variability. It's useless. An R-squared of 1 means your model explains all the variability. It's a perfect fit, which is very rare in the real world. A value like 0.5 would suggest the model explains half the variability, which can be moderately useful depending on the context. To summarize, R-squared is a measure of the proportion of variance that a model explains. It's a key indicator of a model's goodness of fit, with values ranging from 0 to 1. A higher value means the model better explains the data. But it is very important to remember that a high R-squared value shows a strong correlation and a good fit, but it does not, by itself, prove that one thing causes the other.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.